How to handle blocks. At first we have to draw something, like this for example, and place some symbols. Like this for example. And now we can create blocks out of the symbols. If you mark from right to left, everything which has contact with the frame will be marked. You can see it, they are the blue ones. And if you go from left to right, only those things which are completely inside of the frame will be marked. And after that we can move the marked objects or save the block or load the block again. Another possibility is lock the object, and now they cannot be touched anymore, and we can unlock objects like this.